The espresso. It is the elixir of life, and in my personal opinion, the pinnacle of coffee. A good one will start your day in the best possible way, while a bad one will make you wonder why you bothered getting out of bed. Hi, I'm Stefan Karlberg. Welcome to my coffee channel. If you like that intro, please remember to like and subscribe. I thought I'd get that in early this video. Was that too early? Anyway, to make a good espresso, you're going to need 4 things. Good beans, a good grinder, a good coffee machine, and a half-decent barista. We've got all of those things here. The beans should be 100% Arabica. The roast is not important, it just depends on what you like. Mine gives a classic Italian espresso, which is what my customers and I enjoy. Someone once told me a good espresso is 25% the bean, 25% the equipment, and 50% the barista. I don't agree with that, or I wouldn't have spent $20,000 on this marvel. That is an absolute piece of art. I love it. I forgot, you'll also need a good scale so you can weigh your ground beans and make sure you get the right dose. A good grinder is necessary because you want the beans to be consistently ground, so during extraction the water will flow through as evenly as possible. The dose you will require will depend on the depth of the basket. I'm looking for something between 18 and 18.5 grams. If your flow is too fast or too slow during extraction, first make sure you have the correct quantity of beans, i.e. the dose, then adjust the grind setting while keeping the dose the same. This is where the knowledge of the barista will make a difference. Tamping is also where the barista's skill will improve the end product. Try to apply even pressure and keep the tamper straight. With practice, it becomes second nature. Like with everything, you just need to practice and keep on practicing, and you will become better. Finally, extraction. I'm looking for a ratio of 3 to 1. So approximately 60 ml of espresso in about 25 seconds. Look at that beautiful crema. It's a little bit too thick even. We'll see if it settles. Should be in about 25 to 30 seconds. Obviously, this is done in the setup of the machine. Again, with the skill of the barista might actually help. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped. Remember just to practice a lot and like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.